Let's go and talk today about claiming an airdrop as well as the linear outcome and the linear price action, which a lot of you might be interested in, as well as the MetaMask airdrop. So with that said, we jump straight on the laptop. First thing first though, I have, as we opened yesterday on the video, if you follow me, congratulations, we are up $1,300. Let's go and take the profit, close the position, and here we've done it, profit. So we go and open something else. I want to go and open a big position over on Hype right now, and I will be opening a big position as well over here on Link. So two new position added now with these little red candles in the market, taking advantage of it, making the money. And here, as you see, I'm able to trade with $70,000. Why? You can do it too. The link will be down below. Make sure to utilize my code. And it is the reason why I trade on Breakout. Breakout is a prop firm and it allows me to trade with a $50,000 account. And I bought it for only $500. And as you've seen, with 1 day of trading, which I told you yesterday to go and long this position that I did it live on the video, we already paid back 2 times the amount that we paid for the account. So free to trade now, free money to trade. As you've seen, I've done $1,300 and this account only costs $500. Then I can go and buy a $100,000 funded account for $1,000. By even less, you can buy a $10,000 account for only $100. And you've seen that if you do, of course, 10%, like I've just did with a $50,000 account, that's $5,000 in profit. If you would make 10,000 or 10% on a $500 account, that's only $50. So that is why I trade here. And once again, we are already up $177 to go and pay back myself another account. So come and join me on Breakout. This is an I think you can buy for only $500, a $50,000 account, which now we are growing up to 73,000. Link will be down below. Make sure to join me. It is really, really simple. And it is absolutely something that I love for trading. As well as I am doubling down, by the way, on Hype. As also here, I do trade it over on Wix. If you do not want to trade on a prop firm, which is Breakout, but you can do both, you can come over to Wix and listen closely. Wix, as you see here, is a non-KYC exchange. I am long in over here Hype, as you're able to go and see, and it offers you a 100% position deposit, which means if you deposit $100 or $1,000, you get $1,000 or $100 back. You get the same amount that you deposit, you get it as a future trading bonus. So go and do 1 account, 2 account, 5 account, 10 accounts. Go and do as many accounts as you want and simply come and join, come and trade, deposit, and trade with the money that you get from the future account, as well as, of course, going on to depositing and trading if you wish to trade with your own funds as well. Otherwise, simply get the trading funds and simply get the deposit. It's a 100% deposit bonus, no KYC. Make sure to join, do as many accounts as you want, really, and you're good to go. Next up, we also have the airdrop eligibility. So first of all, if you are this is for anybody that interacts and buys and sells NFTs. You're in the NFT world. We don't talk much about it in the channel, but we have it here. So there is the space token, the SPAACEOG airdrop, which I will leave a link down below. Simply go connect. I personally do not trade, so I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not eligible for it. But if you do trade or participate within the NFT right here, then connect your wallet, check your rewards, and you can have a 3x, 6x, or 2x, or a 1x rewards as you see over here. And then you're able to go and open it, check your rewards, and good to go. So make sure to go and do that. But talking about Linea, first of all, over here on Wix, you can find the Linea token. So that is why if you want to trade Linea, come and trade it over here on Wix as a non-KYC exchange. It does have it and you're able to go and do perpetual all the way up to a 50x leverage. Now, Linea is price-wise is doing really good. Now, aside this little dip in the market, which every token is happening, we've seen it over here with Ethereum below 4,700, Bitcoin below 116,000, and all the others. It did really well. It consolidated nicely at 2.3 and then it spiked up all the way to 2.8. Now, this is the thing that we were talking about. As Zora, for example, did. Let me see if we do have it here. As Zora did back in the days, it went from a mere 1 or 2 cents, which is where I sold my allocation. I lost about $25,000 with the Zora Urdu because I sold early and I didn't actually wait for this. This is what is going to happen to Linea. This spike, I sold here more or less, which, yes, don't get me wrong, I still made a bit of money. But if I would have just waited, it would have been 15 times the reward, about $50,000 to $60,000. I lost out on this trade because I was impatient. And what do I think? This spike right here that we've seen right here, which is this part over here, it is something that I do want and I know it will happen for the Linea airdrop. Why? Because Linea has backing behind it. Linea has so many people behind it. It got MetaMask, which we're gonna go and talk in just a second behind it. And the same way that Zora had base, these people that invest in them, they need to make their money back. They need to be successful. They need to make money. It's business after all for them, and they are the market makers as well. So I'm expecting, and I do think that Linea easily can go to 10 cent. I will wait for the 10 cent mark. Absolutely yes. Potentially then I will sell part of my Linea allocation. But between the 2 cent, just like Zora, between the 2 cent is gonna easily rip to 10 cent or 7 or 8 cents, something along those lines. And that's why I'm holding. I am not selling yet. But in terms of the linear airdrop, I do want to amplify this one and talk about also all the other things that we do see online for the MetaMask airdrop and the linear airdrop 2.0. Why? Because here we've seen it also yesterday. We've already seen this picture over here, but Linea said that if you keep your token without selling them, holders of the Linea community, uh, just holding Linea, as we see here, will open up further rewards opportunity, which means simply hold Linea in your wallet or utilize it within the Linea ecosystem. I do want to go and place my Linea on ecosystem project for more airdrops. So for example, lending and borrowing, I want to go and lend my Linea to people who wants to borrow for them, a whole ecosystem with a point, which I'm gonna take you soon a video about it. But one important thing, what is it? As we see here, do not keep any Linea on centralized exchanges. For example, if you have Linea, don't deposit your Linea on Wix. Don't deposit on a centralized exchange because they cannot control this. They don't know which account belongs to who. So on Wix, for example, simply deposit USDC, Ethereum. This 100% position airdrop works with any token, as you see here, mostly USDT. So go and deposit USDT, grab your 100% deposit bonus for it. The Linea token, keep it on your MetaMask wallet or utilize it for ecosystem growth. As we said, lending and borrowing, and those protocols right there would actually work really, really nice. They have given out rewards to Binance users, yes, so potentially Binance could be one of those centralized exchanges wallet that could be okay with it. But if you are thinking about it and you want to do it, I personally keep mine in my wallet. That is going to be like, hey, this guy holds the, as we see here, they hold the Linea token, they hold the same amount of Linea token which they've been airdropped, so they didn't go and sell on the community, they held for X amount of time, because potentially days is going to be important. How many days have you held a token? How many times have you sold it and bought it? If you are just an OG holders, it's going to be more rewarding. And as we see here, MetaMask and Linea are cooking something together to make this happen. And we know that MetaMask has their stable coins over on the Linea ecosystem. So do not count out. Do not think that it could not happen that Linea holders, nor traders, nor seller holders will receive the Linea airdrop. This is tweeted out by the CEO of MetaMask. So count that MetaMask wallet or the MetaMask airdrop, not the USDC MetaMask version, the Meta token, the MetaMask proper token, which we know is going to happen. They already said it. It will be airdrop to your Linea ecosystem, to your Linea, the mainnet Linea as MetaMask. That's where MetaMask is going to be airdrop. So do not sell your Linea token. Make sure to keep it or utilize it in the ecosystem, yes, but do not give it away. Do not sell it, in my opinion. And I still think if you want to sell it, these prices is not good. Like sell it higher, sell it at 7 to 8 to 10 cent. I do think 10 cent is possible. So sell it there, because if MetaMask joins the party, MetaMask invested money, MetaMask wants to do money. They're not happy with this. They probably wanted to send it to 10 cent. Absolutely yes. So keep that in mind. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao guys.